Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import a boundary into the OceanAlpha USB base station software. This is an essential step for ensuring your USB navigates accurately within your survey area. Let's get started. Click on Settings menu at the top of the screen and select Import or Export feature. First, make sure you have your boundary file already. The boundary should be saved in a compatible format such as a KML, a shape file, an ASCII, or a text file. For the purpose of this tutorial, export your file as an ASCII file format, which will be later exported as a text file format to be imported into the OceanAlpha BaseStation software. Once you have your file, open the OceanAlpha USB BaseStation software. This will open the boundary import tool where you can load your boundary file. In the boundary set window, click on the import button. Navigate to the location of your boundary file on your computer and select it. Click Open to import the file into the BaseStation software. Once the file is loaded, you will see the boundary displayed on the map. You can adjust the boundary settings if needed, such as changing the color or line thickness for better visibility. After adjusting the settings to your preference, click Save to apply the boundary. This boundary will now be used by the USB to navigate within the specified area during your survey. Finally, verify that the boundary is correctly displayed and aligned with your survey area. You can zoom in and out of the map to check the boundary's position and ensure everything is set up correctly. By importing boundaries into the OceanAlpha USB BaseStation software, you can optimize your survey operations and ensure accurate data collection. Remember to regularly update your boundary to reflect changes in your survey area. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on maximizing your potential with the OceanAlpha USB SL20. Thanks for watching and happy surveying. See you next time. Bye bye for now.